this. What's up, Puma? What's up, bro? What you doing, my nigga? What's up? You know me? What's up, my nigga? What's the deal, bro?
What's up, bro? You know me? You wanna play? If you want the game, like, you can have it. So.
That ain't you? I thought you were somebody else. My bad, man. Oh, my bad. Oh, hey, what's up, man? That is you. Hey, where you from, man? Hey, check this out for real, though. I like your shit. It's smooth. I just want to know, can I flick up with you? You flick? Come on, man. You got like a million hits, dog. My boys all. Yeah. Hey, baby, look who it is. My boy. Hey, hey, bro, please let me get a flick with you, dog. Hey, for real? You see who it is? Hey, be like, yeah, you know, baby, hey, he's doing some shit right now. Dude, you are a fucking classic, bro. Bro, I think you can be big with that shit. 100. I ain't even bullshitting with you, man. Hey, for real, check this out. Tell me, I'm gonna get in the community. I go to Comedy Castle, right? An amateur night and shit. That's how I do that shit. But how do you guys get fucked with so much? You know what I'm saying? How do you do it? That's all I want to know, bro. Yeah, no? All right. Take it easy, man.